In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert document or object in the body of email in Outlook. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. This takes you straight to the Outlook mail interface where you can compose your message. Once you're in your mailbox, start a new message by selecting New Email. A compose window opens with fields for recipients, a subject line, and the message body. In the To field, add your recipient. If Outlook suggests a contact as you type, you can pick it to save time. Next, add a clear, concise subject so your recipient immediately knows what the email is about. Now move to the message body and write your note. For example, you could say, "Please review this project." Keep the text brief and friendly, and if you're referencing a specific file, mention it here so the recipient knows what to expect. With your message drafted, it's time to insert the document. At the top of the Compose window, select Insert. From the options that appear, choose Attach File. Then select Browse this computer to locate a file stored on your device. A file picker opens so you can navigate to the folder where your document lives. Click the file you want to include and confirm your selection. You'll see the document added to your email. In Outlook on the web, attachments display within the Compose area so you can verify the file name and type before you send. If you picked the wrong file, don't worry, you can remove it and choose another. As a best practice, double-check that the file is the final version and that its size is reasonable, so it uploads quickly and arrives without issues. If you regularly send the same document, consider keeping it in an easy-to-find folder on your device so you can grab it faster next time. And if your organization uses cloud storage, you'll also see options to attach from there, but browsing your computer is the simplest path when the file is saved locally. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened a new email, addressed it, added a subject, wrote your message, and inserted your document using Insert, Attach File, and Browse this computer. Follow these steps anytime you need to place a document directly into your email so your recipient can open it right away.